All right, so what we have here is we have some response curves of a couple of relatively inexpensive mica capacitors. So what we did is we did our two curve family again, and just to you will recall, just to say that on the second one we turned auto setup off, and on the first one we had it on. We also removed the bias from the capacitor, so that's set at 0. So a couple of things just to think about. The blue is the dissipation factor, and the red is the capacitance, and these were supposed to be 10 nanofarads. They've come in somewhere between 9 and 9.5 each, and you can see what the response was with frequency. The thing about this is that if you have an LCR bridge that is limited in its upper frequencies, you can take the Cleverscope FRA out to 10 megahertz, out to 60 megahertz. If you get beyond 10 megahertz, you should have a test fixture. The probes are nearing the end of their range at that point. Back here at 10 kilohertz, you can see I've got one of the traces highlighted here, and this one is showing 9.3 nanofarads, and the other one is, go back over and measure that one. That one's 9.1, and both these numbers compared very closely with what we got on the LCR bridge. And up here on this, both capacitors are showing a dissipation factor of 1.5%, which is exactly what we got on the bridge. So anyway, just a couple of examples here of doing a family of curves with different kinds of capacitors.